Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. It's morning, by the way. Welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to film a little get ready with me. Actually headed to work. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and start my eyes. I actually already just carved them out just a little bit, not too like, you know, cut a bitch. Not too much like cut a bitch. So yeah, so I just like carved them out a little bit, if you can see. And when I'm in a rush, my kind of go-to look is to just do one shade across the whole lid and do a wing. For me, a wing is quick. It's you know, like relatively easy. I wouldn't say it's like super easy, but it's relatively easy. So yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and go into my Pure Cosmetics Soirée Diaries palette, and I broke the mirror. But I really love this color here, Gala. So that's kind of my go-to color, or this one, but I really like this one here. So I'm just gonna put it all over my lid. This is just like a big huge fluffy brush. It's called this is a Real Techniques, it's called Deluxe Crease Brush, but I like a big brush when I'm in a rush, because like I don't have time to kind of be switching back and forth with the brushes. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and tap it all over. And I did set my eyes. I pulled the concealer down over the lid, and then I set it with banana powder. So that's my eyeshadow base. So so you can see it's just like, it's kind of like an all over, like just neutral color. So I can go ahead and do my wing. So kind of my trick when I'm, well, it's not a trick, it's kind of common sense, but try to, if you're in a rush, try to kind of have your go-to makeup products, you know, like handy. That way you can just, boom, like you already have your stuff ready. So, so it's a little quicker. So this, I'm going to use my Ciate London felt tip liner in black. And I got this, actually, I really like it. I got it in one of my Ipsy bags. Did I get this in Ipsy or Sephora? I don't remember, but I got it in one of my beauty boxes. And it's full size, and it's really, really black. So I like it. I love felt tip liners, but they're so expensive. Like, my holy grail felt tip is my e.l.f. one. Which is $3. So it's the Intense Ink e.l.f. felt tip liner, and it's only $3, but they literally dry out, and I put the top all the way back on. They were drying out in like a couple weeks, so I was like, damn, I might as well invest some money, you know, pay the $20 so it won't dry out, you know. Like, this one's pretty wet, but I mean, I just got it a couple weeks ago, so, and I've only used it a couple times. Of course, my wing's trying to act cute because I'm on camera. Alright, we'll just leave it, because see, this is the part I don't like down here. I'm just going to leave it for now and kind of move on, because, you know, we don't have time like that today. I'm going to do my waterline. This is the L'Oreal Silkissime liner. So I'm just going to do my waterline. Alright, there we go. Alright, so those are the eyes. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some mascara on. So, put a little lash. So I'm just gonna speed through my face, and then I'll come back. Okay, so I just sped through my face for the most part. I did just want to try out this Pure Cosmetics Bronze and Brighten palette I got it in my boxycharm this month. So it comes with a bronzer, highlighter, and blush. So I've been wanting to try this. I'm gonna go ahead and try the blush here with a big, huge blush brush and see how it looks. So I did contour just a tap. I think I'm being too light-handed. It's very peachy. Because, like, it's sparkly. So, because, like, I'll show you the swatch here. That's, like, very sparkly. So I'm, like, trying to kind of go easy with it. Because I love how this cheek always looks better. Because I have, like, a little dark mark here. So I don't press too hard on it. So sometimes I'm treating it with kid hands, so I like to put a little blush on my forehead and my chin. Alright, not bad. I like love blush, so to me it's like never enough blush. Never enough blush! So I'm also going to highlight with this one. So I'm going to take the highlighter and I'm going to highlight my face and then my inner corner of my eye. So my eye inner corner, I'm just taking a little tiny flat brush. I'm just going to highlight. I don't know, what do we think? This side or this side? Some people love inner corner highlights. I personally just started doing them. And I'm just going to highlight my brow bone here also. Yeah, I personally literally just started doing it. Just because it makes my eye look a little bit more like pulled together. Then I always take this same brush and highlight my nose. So I highlight here. Because like during the day for work, I don't contour like crazy and I don't highlight like crazy. So I just do the tip in the middle here and then this part here. It kind of gives an illusion of contouring when I don't really contour that much during the day. Especially for work, because it's like, girl, where are you going? I'm not going anywhere, but I still want to contour. I'm just trying to cover that little spot on my face. Okay. What do we think? What do we think? Should I try the bronzer? I mean, it scares me because it's like, it's shiny and I just hate shine on my face. Like, I mean, if it's a highlight, okay, but like, for a bronzer, alright, I'm just gonna put a little back here. I don't know. What do we think? Did it change much? Well, I don't know. Like my little nephew says, he says, well, I don't know. Okay, so face looks okay. Okay guys, I did a voiceover here because this is me ranting about the magnetic eyelashes I had tried out earlier in this video, but I literally had to make that separate because it was just a massive fail. A fail, but I'll insert it here so you can look at it if you'd like. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will try out some, I'll try out some other products. Gonna be doing unboxings. There's always Tutorial Tuesday on my channel. This Tuesday we learned how to lay a half wig. Last Tuesday we learned how to do brows. So yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Yeah, and have a good week. Bye.